Hi, I'm Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency, JD Property Agents, and I just wanted to reach out to you as our tenants with COVID-19 update. So I just want to make sure that you are aware that we are in this office making sure that we keep social distancing happening. We do have some of the staff working remotely, so they don't have to be here. And what that means for you is that rents are being receipted and repairs, maintenance are being dealt with as they need to be. So I just want to make sure you feel a level of comfort around that. Please reach out to us if you have any issues with any of this, because we're here to help you. Also, we're not going to be conducting any routine inspections between now and the end of April, but we do ask you to keep the property to a standard that you know we require, because it's really important that the property is maintained properly. We will be assessing that situation every 14 days, and so that may change between now and the next 14 days or the next 14 days after that. But at this moment, we're not looking at scheduling any routine inspections. Repairs and maintenance, if there is something wrong, please let us know. Try to keep them to the urgent repairs that may need to happen, just because there will be some restrictions with different contracting companies that may not let their tradesmen come and do repairs. We are maybe going down to a situation where it will be locked down, not at the moment, but that could be in the future. So just take that into consideration. Make sure that you take care of yourself. If somebody has to come to the house, get them to use hand sanitizer, use Glen 20 in the property, get them to wear gloves. There's things that you could be doing to make sure that you look after yourself and your family. If a property is becoming vacant, please reach out to us so we can organise the outgoing inspection. And like I said, we're here to help. We're all going to get through this. We will be here tomorrow and the next day and the day after. So I really want you to make sure that you know that we're here for you, and we look forward to helping you in the future. Bye for now.